Hey guys, welcome to the MIgardener Midweek Snack. My name is Cindy, and today in this episode I'm going to show you how to make a fennel grape salad. It's super refreshing, yummy, crunchy. I think you will enjoy. Stay tuned. So first let's start with the ingredients. For this recipe you're going to use some green grapes, a handful of black grapes as well, and also anise, which is called fennel as well, and it does have kind of a licorice taste. I'm just going to use a little chunk of it, as well as a little bit of the foliage from the fennel, and that's going to be for the garnish. Some maple syrup, and this maple syrup, cool fact, Luke actually did make this from his home, so I'm super stoked to use it for the dressing. And some poppy seeds, some turmeric, some jicama, and it's kind of like a root vegetable. I'd say it has kind of like an apple consistency, but it has like a mild to no taste, so it's really versatile. And for the dressing you're also going to need some apple cider vinegar, and this one's actually raw and filtered and organic. And also I'm going to use a bit of orange juice for the dressing. And over here you can see I've chopped the grapes by half, and you can guys segment it a little bit smaller, and I've peeled the entire jicama, so it's going to give you just a very bare, and it's going to be run through the mandolin slicer. And I'm going to just grab a little bit of the fennel, I chopped it there, and slice it through the mandolin as well. Just chopped everything and mandolin sliced it. You're just going to pile it up. I put some fennel and then some jicama, some fennel, some jicama, and then I put the garnish of the fennel foliage and the grapes all around. Now, time for the dressing. You're going to need the following. Now we're ready to mix the ingredients. First, just grab the orange juice, add about a cup or so, a couple of splashes of the apple cider vinegar because it is strong, and afterwards you guys want to add the turmeric. About half a tablespoon will do for the recipe. Grab a spoon and mix it up nicely. This is going to give a rich, vibrant color to the dish. And then afterwards you guys are going to add a little bit of the maple syrup, about a tablespoon I would say, or you guys can substitute it with honey or any other kind of sugar you guys do prefer, and mix it all up. And afterwards just finish up with the poppy seeds, and just using about a tablespoon, really up to your own personal preference, and it's just going to add a different color and texture. And after that, mix it and you're ready to add it to your fennel and grape salad. And voila, your dish should look something like this, and I can't wait to dig in and taste test this. Let's try it out. Alright guys, now time for the taste test. Let's taste this divine fennel grape salad. Let's dig in. Make sure to get all of the components in there. It's sweet, it's crunchy, it's refreshing. It's really, really good. It's for someone who really likes something that's more light and hydrating and kind of detoxifying as well, because it's really gentle on your digestive system. All of this that we're having is really rich in water, so it'll go very, very smoothly. And Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me today at the MIgardener Midweek Snack. I hope you guys did enjoy this lighthearted salad. If you guys do want to try it out, give the video a thumbs up, and also drop down some comments below. I hope that your week is going amazing. We've over here in Chicago have had snow, which was not cool at all, but We'll see. Hopefully we're going to be having much better weather over here. Pray for us. And if you guys ever have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. As always, just take care and be happy, and we'll see you until next time. Bye.